Hello everyone and welcome back to the GK series by Life Changes Academy. So today I have got some really interesting facts for you. So we are going to talk about the tallest mountain, the largest ocean, the biggest animal ever, and the fastest land animal, and even the smallest country in the world. And trust me, some of these facts are going to surprise you really. So without any delay, we will start the session. Okay. So first of all, we are going to see what is the world record. That means what is mean by the world record. Okay, think about it in this way. So if someone runs faster than everyone else in the world, so that's the world record, right? Yes. If something is bigger, taller, longer, as well as faster than anything else in this world, means that's also a world record. Okay, and it's not about just a human thing. It's all about for animals, for or else it will be applicable for also nature. Okay, even oceans and mountains have world records. Okay, so today we are going to look some of the most amazing facts. Okay, about the world records. First we are going to see that one is the Mount Everest. All right, let's start with something huge. Okay, so now imagine standing at the bottom of a mountain and look at all the way to top. Now imagine that mountain being so tall that its peak is almost touching the clouds. Okay, so that's the Mount Everest. Okay, so it's the tallest mountain on earth. Okay, in fact it's really 9 kilometers high. Okay, can you imagine climbing something that tall? People will travel from all over the world just for a chance to reach the top of this Mount Everest. Okay, but here's the crazy part about Mount Everest. That one is the higher you go, the harder it becomes to breathe because there is less oxygen in the air. Okay, that's the amazing thing about the Mount Everest. Also, that's the purpose why climbing Everest is considered one of the toughest challenge in this world. Okay, honestly, for me, just looking at the picture of it makes me feel tired. Okay, so that's the craziest thing about the Mount Everest. Okay, so now we are going to see another one concept. That one is the Pacific Ocean. This one is the largest ocean. Okay, so now let's leave the mountain behind and head to the ocean here. Okay, so and it is just like not it is like a ocean, the biggest ocean on our planet. Okay, that is the Pacific Ocean. This ocean is absolutely massive. When I say massive means, I mean it really it's look like a massive. That means it is so large. It covers about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. That means, just think for a second. Okay, 1/3 of the entire planet. That means, in fact, if you combined all the land on Earth together, means the Pacific Ocean would be still larger. Okay, that's hard to imagine, right? Yes. So no wonder it's called the largest ocean in our world. Okay, that's the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so this is the amazing fact about the Pacific Ocean. Now we are going to see another one is the blue whale. That is the largest animal ever. Okay. So now I'm asking some question for you. Okay, so you guys are thinking that the biggest animal you can think of is like maybe it's like a elephant or else maybe it's like a dinosaur, right? So well, but the correct answer is the blue whale. Okay, and what's the amazing is that it's ever bigger than many dinosaurs. Okay, a blue whale can grow longer than 3 school buses placed in one behind another. Okay, for example, I say like a school buses. Okay, so just picture that in your mind. Okay, 3 buses means how long it will go. Okay, and it can weigh more than 150 tons. Okay, its weight is approximately 150 ton. Okay, here is the another one fact is its heart is about the size of a small car. Imagine having a heart that big. Okay, nature is absolutely incredible, right? Yes. Okay, so this is the amazing fact about the blue whale. Okay, this one is the largest animal to ever live on earth. Okay, so you will remind these things and all. Okay, so now we are going to see another one fact. That one is the cheetah. You guys are already know the cheetah, right? The fastest animal in the world, right? Yes. So have you ever watched a fast sports car race down a road? Well, right. You will see in a car race, right? Well, the cheetah is basically nature's sports car. That means this animal can run up to 120 kilometers per hour. See, one per hour it will run up to 120 kilometers. Okay, that's incredibly fast, right? But what's even most impressive is how quickly it reaches that speed. Within just a few seconds it's already moving faster than most vehicles in city traffic, right? If there was an animal Olympics for running, the cheetah would win every single time, right? So that's the cutest as well as the amazing facts about the cheetah, okay? So this one is the fastest land animal, okay? So, and then we are going to see another one is Vatican City. Vatican City, you already know that it's the smallest country, right? Okay, we have already seen the tallest mountain as well as the largest ocean, right? Now let's look at the smallest country. That one is the Vatican City. This country is located inside the Rome, Italy. Rome, okay? Inside the Rome, the place one is Italy, okay? So, and when I say small means, I mean it will be really small only, okay? You could actually walk across the entire country less than 20 minutes, okay? Within 20 minutes you will walk in the Vatican City, okay? That's the cutest thing as well as it is like a amazing thing, okay? So just to imagine, some shopping malls are bigger than Vatican City, right? So inside the shopping mall and all, we are going to walk more than 20 minutes only, right? So within 20 minutes we will be walk inside the Vatican City, okay? Yet, despite its size, it's one of the most important places in the world for millions of people. Okay, so Vatican City will consider the smallest country, right? Okay, so now we are going to see another one concept. That one is, so what's the purpose of learning these amazing facts? So now you might be wondering, why should I learn all these facts? Well, apart from being fun, they actually make you smarter. That means the more facts you know, the more confidence you become. Okay. So you will have interesting things to talk about with your friends. You will do better in quizzes. Okay. And most importantly, you will start becoming curious about the world around you. And curiosity is where learning begins, right? So learning amazing facts not only you know that fact, but it's good for your brain. It also improves your memory, okay? So it makes your conversation with your friends or else your colleagues to make the conversation very interesting, okay? Also it sparks the curiosity to learn about even more facts, okay? Also when it's like a quiz competition or else any competitive exams or else some scholarship exams and all, they will asking this amazing facts and all, okay? It's also help to win quizzes as well as the competitions, okay? These are the thing it's necessary to learn the amazing facts, okay? So that's all, dear. Now it's your time to write the quizzes, okay? I will give you the 5 questions in this today's session, okay? So all right, let's see how much you remember, okay? I'm going to ask this 5 questions. Try answering them before seeing the answers, okay? So I will test your knowledge, okay? How you understand this video, okay? You will write the answers, pause this video and write the answer. The tallest mountain, largest ocean, largest animal, largest land animal, and then smallest country, okay? So try to write the answers, and you will, when you finish your answers, you will scroll down to view the answers, okay? Okay, now it's time to end this today's session. So, and this is that's it the today's video. We explored some amazing world records and learned some fascinating facts about our planet, right? So from Mount Everest to Pacific Ocean, from the blue whale to cheetah, and from the world's biggest things to world's smallest country. We have covered a lot today, right? I hope you learned something new and interesting today. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning with Life Changes Academy. Until then, keep exploring. Also, stay curious for the next video. Okay. So bye everyone. Thank you.